In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your fender liner on your Mini Cooper. It's located in the wheel well in the front. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to remove our wheel. Let's remove our wheel. I'm going to use a trim tool and maybe an occasional Phillips head screwdriver if they have this center push pin. If not, just use the trim tool. There's one here, there's one here, one up here, and then we're going to move on to some bolts. To remove these first. I'm on the driver's side of the car. The process is the same for the other side. To remove that center part, and then you can remove the whole thing. Sometimes you have to replace these. They get a little brittle over time. So if you break one, there are replacements. I'm going to remove this push pin using a trim tool. And now I'm going to go up here with a Phillips head and remove that screw. Now let's go on the other side of this strut and remove the other ones. So here we are. We're going to take out the center on this one and remove this push pin. Sometimes you have to add a little pressure to these to get them out. I'm going to slide my trim tool in there. Try to get that center part out, and the whole thing should come out. Now we're going to follow it up and over, and we're going to see the screw here. Using a Phillips head, I'm going to remove that. Using a Phillips, we're going to remove this screw as well. We're going to have to replace this one because it's not cooperating. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to remove this bolt. You may not have the same bolt as this. If you don't, it's probably a Phillips head screw. We're going to remove this push pin. Taking the center out first and pull it out. Now we're ready to take out our fender liner. Let's remove this. You're going to pull it away. It should just pop out. Make me push it back and out of this lip here. And remove it. Let's put our new one in. Let's slide it down and in. sure you get that lip inside that lip on both sides. These flaps go inside between the metal and the underneath. Once you get that in, you're gonna snap it into place. Do the same on this side. It slides in between. Get that inside. It should stay in there on its own if everything's lined up right. Now we're going to start to put our push pins in. I'll start with one of these just to hold it in place. And now we're just going to work our way all the way around. Let's begin putting these in. Again, if yours broke, you're going to have to replace them. It's pretty common. Now we're going to put our screw in here. Make sure you're lined up. And continue over. Put this one in. And now we're going to put our screw here. And our push tab here. And now we're going to put our push pin in here. We had to replace this one, it broke. And now we're going to go underneath. Now we're putting our screw in. Now we're going to put our push pin under here. We replaced ours because ours broke. The process is the same on the other side, and you should be good to go. Put our wheel on. Make sure you line it up. Once you're lined up, you can get one of your lug nut studs started. You are going to have to keep a hand on it. And continue the way around. Let's tighten it up. We're going to do it in a crisscross manner. Walk the wheel up. Make sure it's flush. We're going to torque our wheels to 95 foot-pounds. I'm using a 17mm socket. We're going to do this in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.